Are you curious about the different generations of computers? Let's explore them briefly. The first generation of computers, from 1946 to 1959, relied on vacuum tubes for circuits and magnetic drums for memory. While they were effective, these computers were expensive to operate and consumed a significant amount of electricity. They could only solve one problem at a time and used a batch operating system that relied on punch cards and paper tapes. The output was displayed through printouts. Moving on to the second generation, which spanned from 1959 to 1965, computers became smaller, faster, cheaper, more energy efficient, and reliable. With the introduction of transistors, multi-programming operating systems were utilized. This generation also saw a shift from binary machine language to symbolic or assembly languages, making it easier for programmers to specify instructions in words. Notable examples include IBM 1620, IBM 794, and CDC 1604. Furthermore, high-level programming languages like COBOL and Fortran were developed during this time. The third generation, from 1964 to 1971, brought about the advent of integrated circuits. Transistors became miniature and were placed on silicon chips, called semiconductors, significantly enhancing the speed and efficiency of computers. User interaction shifted from punch cards to keyboards and monitors. The introduction of remote processing, time sharing, and real-time multi-programming operating systems allowed devices to run multiple applications simultaneously. This generation also witnessed the invention of ICs by Jack Kilby. Popular languages included Fortran 2 to 4, PL1, COBOL, and ALGOL 68. Overall, computers became more accessible, compact, and affordable. The fourth generation, spanning from 1971 to 1980, saw the development of microprocessors, where thousands of integrated circuits could fit onto a single silicon chip. What used to occupy an entire room could now fit in the palm of your hand. IBM introduced its first computer for home users in 1981, and Apple launched the Macintosh in 1984. This generation was marked by significant advancements, such as the creation of GUI, the mouse, and handheld devices. Network-distributed operating systems emerged, paving the way for the development of the Internet. Popular languages during this time included C, C++, and DBase, and supercomputers, like Cray 1, were introduced. Lastly, we have the fifth generation of computers, which encompasses the present and beyond. This generation explores artificial intelligence, or AI. Some applications of this technology, such as voice recognition, are already being utilized today. Parallel processing and superconductors are assisting in making AI a reality. The goal is to develop devices that can respond to natural language input, learn, and self-organize. In summary, the generations of computers have come a long way from vacuum tubes to advanced AI. Each generation has brought significant advancements in terms of size, speed, cost, and functionality. We can only imagine how the future will shape the next generation of computers, revolutionizing our world even further.